Hello everyone, welcome back to my video. Today we're in Lower Halstow. Today we're going to take a short walk around the area, which is part of the Saxon Shore Way. As you can see, it's a misty morning, cold again, as you can expect in England this time of year. But yeah, it's cold, not windy, but hopefully the sun should come out once the mist clears. Yeah, let's see where this goes. So we're just walking up the shoreline now, up the estuary. This part is known as Brickfields, where they used to obviously make bricks. There used to be a lot of barges in this area, just come down, pick up the bricks and then sail out. Yeah, as you can imagine, there's quite a few shipwrecks around here. So we'll have a look at those. It's a bit eerie today with all the mist, but hopefully that should clear up. Yeah, but we should get a couple of good shots as well. So as you can see in this area, there's lots of old bricks lying around and pottery. So yeah, there's a lot of history around this area, bricks being one of them. But yeah, I'm quite surprised with all the pottery. There's glass, yeah, lots of good things. So if you come down here like a bit of mudlarking, yeah, this would be a good place to come. Just walking out of Brickfields now walking along the Saxon Shore Way. That shoreline, pretty dangerous. There's lots of glass on the ground, sharp bits, so yeah, make sure you got boots if you're coming down. Yeah, so yeah, as I said, we're just walking out of Brickfields. Just walk along this path here, which is part of the Saxon Shore Way, and hopefully, yeah, the mist should clear a little bit. We should see a bit more of the estuary. So this area is actually rich in bird life. As you can see behind me, the marshes facilitate that. Yeah, all the migrating birds from Europe and down south come up here and roost during the springtime. We're not quite there yet, so you can't hear much. But yeah, give it a couple of months and this will be buzzing with birds. As you can see, there's an orchard on one side. I'm not sure what they are. I think they might be grapes. Yeah, you have to come back and see. But on the other side, you've got the estuary. Just think how rich and fertile that soil is. Definitely a prime location. So we're starting to head back inland now from the estuary. Short walk back, and it should be a couple of lanes, and yeah, footpaths all the way back to where the start point was. Yeah, the sun is still trying to come out, but yeah, still misty. So yeah, we missed that one. So this looks to be like a new orchard. Yeah, I'm seeing these pop up absolutely everywhere at the moment. I'm guessing, yeah, due to climate change, yeah, the southeast is, yeah, a pretty good place to start growing fruit and vegetables, especially probably grapes as well. Yeah, I'm not sure what these are. Yeah, they're too small to actually know at the moment. Maybe they're apples. I doubt it. Maybe, probably grapes. So we're on the right path. Yeah, but not sure. There's now a fork in the road. Not sure which way we should be going, left or right. What way do you think? I'm going to go down the track. I think it's leaning that way. Let's go down that way. As you can see on this side, more mature orchard. So I'm guessing those are going to be definitely maybe pears or probably apples. So just walked past the farm now. Yeah, pretty scary. There's probably about 3 or 4 German Shepherd dogs that were jumping up by the fence. Luckily there was a fence. Otherwise, I don't know what would happen. Yeah, people were trying to catch the dog, but yeah, it wasn't very friendly. So yeah, glad to be out of that bit. So yeah, now we're just walking down this lane, this wet lane. Just going to walk up to Upchurch to see what is there. Yeah, so there should be a footpath on the right hand side, and yeah, we'll follow that along to Upchurch and then we'll join back there. This is Halstow Lakes. Looks to be like a fishing spot. I'm not sure whether it's free to the public. I think it is. There's a public footpath that goes through. But as you can see, yeah, lots of ducks. No one here though, which is surprising. Yeah, the sun is finally coming out, so yeah, it's quite nice at the moment. As you can imagine, there's a church in Upchurch. Yeah, the steeple there is absolutely amazing. A little bit different to what is actually normal, but yeah, let's walk down the road. Yeah, back towards yeah, the Saxon Shore Way. So we're just coming off the road now. It's a busy road. If you know anything about the lanes in the UK, it's pretty much national speed limit. So if you wanted, you could go down here about 60 miles an hour. Yeah, that's why they're pretty dangerous. So yeah, we're just walking off now through what looks like another orchard. Yeah, back to where the starting point is. Definitely spring there. Look at the little lambs. So cute. So we're just coming back into Brickfields now. I didn't film that last bit because it's just going through an estate. And then before that, yeah, was a traveller community that we had to walk through. Yeah, which was interesting. But yeah, so yeah, we're back in Brickfields. Just going to walk around a little bit back to the shoreline. And yeah, see if we can see some views now. So the tide has definitely come in. You can actually see across to Isle of Grain. Beautiful day. So we're back on the Saxon Shore Way now. As you can see, the tide's come in a little bit now. I mean, you can't even get to the shipwreck that was there before. Anyway, yeah, this is the end of the video. Hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. And yeah, if you want to see any more of my videos, please consider subscribing. Anyway, thank you. See you next time.